In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually buy crypto on Binance in Zambia using Airtel Money. So it's actually simple and it's easy. So in this case, as for me, I've installed the Binance app, so follow along on my laptop, and currently I've got a balance of $17 in crypto, and this is USD. So I think the best way to buy is to make use of the P2P exchange. So I'm going to click on buy crypto and I'm going to choose P2P trading. Okay, so I'm going to buy USDT, okay, in Zambia. Okay, and I think this one looks like I don't have empty mobile money. Okay, I think I'm going to buy from this guy. I think I know him from somewhere, so I'm going to buy USDT from him. So I'm going to click on buy USDT. Then for how much do I want? Okay, I need about 35 USDT. So I have to send like 735 kwacha. Okay, not bad. So he's selling at 21 kwacha per dollar. Okay, I'm going to click on buy USDT. So now okay, so no third parties. I want to use coins. You should pay me third parties. Make sure that your Binance username is not as a mobile or mobile phone. If not, I'm using third parties. Okay, awesome. So the guy is even active. So let me make the transfer right now. So let me just grab my phone. Okay, so I'm going to use Airtel mobile money to pay this guy, and once I pay him, he's going to release the coins. Hopefully I don't get scammed. So just a minute. Okay, so I've finally paid. So let me click on transferred, notify seller. I have made the payment from my real name. Yeah, I have done so. Okay, and I'm going to click on confirm payment. Then just send me a message right away that it's sent. Okay, so let me just wait for this seller to release what I've paid for. Okay, completed. Wow, that was fast. Yeah, so the guy is really fast. So my order has been completed. I've just bought myself 35 USDT, so with Airtel Money in Zambia. So you can use different payment methods such as Creo, okay, or whatever which is available in your country. It will still work. So now let me just go back to my wallet and see how much I now have. Okay, overview. Okay, so I've got like 53.77.